What's up, everybody? It's your boy Murdic 3K, aka MK3 Tactical. There is nothing tactical about me. And today we're going to take a look at a product. Now, it's not a new product, but it's new to me. This is the RRS Speed Loader for 300 Blackout, 223, and 556. Now, this is the packaging. I haven't opened it yet. It just came straight from the mail, just like this. So I'm going to get my little knife. We're going to cut into it. All right, here we go. And here it is. So I have mine engraved. You can have it plain or you can have it engraved. M3K Tactical. Here is the little slider here where you just kind of load your rounds. Let's stop talking about it. So there are no obvious instructions. Oh, I got a sticker. Always nice. So I'm going to get in a better position. We're going to stop talking about it and we're going to get to it. And we're going to see how easy this thing is to speed load. I'm just going to go ahead and put them in the... Get my box out of the way. Here's my magazine. We're going to put it right here. Fits in like a glove. Now, the most challenging thing about this, I think, is just getting them lined up in this orientation. That's the most time-consuming part of this whole process, from what I understand. And again, I have not tried this straight out of the box. Now, I know from watching previous videos that the little notches are index points to get your counts out. I think this is 10. I don't know what. All I know is this is maybe 10 and this is 30. So I take this and I put it in this orientation, put a little force right here, and just that easy. Loads it up just like that. I have to say, it wasn't hard at all. I mean, I'm kind of speechless. Let's take a look at this product a little closer. And that is the product. So let's take a look at some of the details of the product. The first thing, let's look at what I call the slider. I've seen a few times where people have positioned this incorrectly. I saw one person, and he acknowledged it after the fact. He was pushing it in that way, and he was having a bit of a time with it. Now, if you look at it, you notice a slight curve. You position it with the round tray, you just push it. It goes the same orientation as the curve. The curve fits into the curve, if that makes sense. And then you just push it in and through. Let's talk a little bit about the dimensions. It is 26 inches long, 6 inches wide. It is made of a material called closed cell PVC. This is black closed cell PVC. And the neat thing about this, even though you might see some rough spots here where it's been cut, I have no risk of being splintered by this. I can rub my thumb or fingers or hands across it, and while it's a little rough, it's not going to splinter me. It has a nice little carrying handle. It does not fold. It is extremely lightweight. Here in the magazine section, it has little holes, or notches rather, where I can easily insert my magazine and I can easily pick it up. The engraving looks wonderful. They have several price tiers. They have they make them for AR-10s, they make them for the AUG and I think something else. But for the AR-15, the plain one, it costs $42. There's no engraving. They have for the personalized engraving, it's $56. Now they have some pre-engraved things you can get as well, and those options are going to run you $48. And then they have skins that you can get, like with the American flag and various things, and those cost $46. You even have the option of sending in your graphic, and they can put your personal skin on there. To get your custom skin design, that's going to cost you $70 there. And I don't think I left anything out, but I may have. You can check the website out for yourself. I can't give you the website because I don't think they I don't know. YouTube is so weird with stuff. Anything that have to do with a firearm, even though this is not a firearm in the least, they get really weird about links and stuff. But if you put in RRS Speed loader, search it, and it's going to be the first thing that pops up. Let's talk about these notches. I did a little research and I found out a little bit more about these notches. So the first notch you come to is the 10 round. The second one is the 20 round. The third one is the 28 round, and the fourth one is the 30 round notch. And of course, if you want to go higher, you would just continue to load it in. And that is this product, guys. Tell me what you think. I mean, at the end of the day, to be honest, for me, a lot of people can load magazines really, really fast. I am not a fast magazine loader. So number one, I have a process that I've got down with this so far that I actually can load magazines faster with this thing than I can manually. And even if you're a person that can speed load mags, I will tell you this will save your thumbs. That is the video, ladies and gentlemen. If you've enjoyed this video, if it's been something that you found helpful, useful, informative, consider dropping a like. If you enjoy the content and you would like to see more of my content, please consider subscribing and hit that bell notification so you will be alerted when I upload new content. Well, guys, thank you for watching as always. Keep on watching. Like and subscribe and live the dream.